10 English phrasal verbs with put, to use in conversation. Part 2. Put out. Put out. To annoy or upset someone, often by what you do or say to them. Example: I didn't mean to put you out with my comments. Put off. Put off. To discourage or dishearten. Example: don't let anyone put you off pursuing your dreams. Put through. Put through. To connect a phone call or process paperwork. Example: can you put me through to the manager, please? Put by. Put by. To save or set aside money. Example: they try to put some money by for their retirement. Put down. Put down. To write or record information. Example: be sure to put down all the important details. Put together. Put together. To compile or gather information. Example: let's put together a report on the sales figures. Put in for. Put in for. To apply for a position or request something. Example: he decided to put in for a promotion. Put away. Put away. To eat a large amount of food. Example: he put away a whole box of chocolates in one evening. Put on. Put on. To pretend to have a particular feeling or way of behaving that is not real. Example: she knows how to put on a friendly face. Put forward. Put forward. To nominate or recommend someone. Example: I'd like to put forward John as our new team leader.